safer digital spaces within our families and communities. As public servants, we cannot overstate how critical this issue is. In the Philippines, cases of sexual abuse and exploitation or SAEC and child sexual abuse or exploitation materials or CSAM have reached alarming levels. In fact, a report from the Commission on Human Rights revealed that online sexual abuse reports climbed to about 2.7 million in 2023, a six-fold increase compared to 2019 reports. Studies estimate that around 2 million internet-using Filipino children aged 12 to 17 were subjected to online sexual abuse and exploitation in recent years. Moreover, in 2022, nearly 500,000 children were victims of online sexual abuse and exploitation. Yet only a very small percentage ever report these crimes to authorities due to stigma or lack of knowledge on how to do so. The problem isn't just numbers on papers. These are real Filipino children whose lives are affected by predators who use online or social media, live streaming, messaging apps, and other online platforms to groom, coerce, or exploit young minds. The data also reveals that less than 3% of affected children know how or where to report such abuse, and many never come forward at all. Another crucial point, the Philippine National Police Women and Children Protection Center recorded more than 17,600 reported cases of child rights violations in 2023, with a significant portion linked to online violations under the anti-OSAEC and anti-CSAM law. These figures show us that online danger is not a remote threat. It's here within our communities and against some of the vulnerable among us, which is our children. As LGU employees, we are on the front lines of community engagement. We see the families, the youth, and the daily pressures they face. This Safer Internet Day, let us renew our commitment to educate families and communities on safe online behavior and the signs of exploitation. Second, to promote awareness on how and where to report abuse, whether to FB helplines, PNP Women and Children Protection Unit, MSWD office, or the BLGUs or other support services. And third, we need to cooperate and coordinate with law enforcement, schools, and civil society partners to strengthen prevention and response. And lastly, we should implement localized awareness campaigns and support mechanisms that empower parents, teachers, and young people. More than laws and policies, what we need is community action and vigilance. Because a safer internet means protected futures. Because our children deserve nothing less. Together, let's make every click, every connection, and every online experience safer for all. Daghang salamat ug angat ka, Ilonggo Norte.